In this video, we take a look at the role that storage locations play in distribution. In the SAP system, storage locations play an important role in the sales process. They are the lowest logistical unit within a plant and serve to physically and systemically separate stocks from one another. Each storage location therefore represents a specific place where materials are stored, picked, or made available for dispatch. Storage locations are particularly relevant in sales, as they determine which stock an order is delivered from. When a customer order is created, the system accesses the stocks of the plant and storage locations specified in the order. This ensures that only materials that are actually available are scheduled for delivery. In addition, storage locations enable more precise control of logistics processes. For example, a company can create separate storage locations for finished goods, returns, or sample goods. Regional storage locations can also be mapped to deliver to customers faster and more efficiently. A practical example illustrates the significance of this. A retail company operates a plant in Munich with several storage locations, a main warehouse for distribution, an external warehouse for special promotions, and a separate warehouse for returns. When a customer places an order, the system checks whether the ordered items are available in the main distribution warehouse. If there is no stock there, the stock in the external warehouse can be accessed as an alternative. Storage locations can also be assigned addresses in the SAP system. This is particularly important when warehouses are physically located in different places. It allows goods movements to be controlled precisely and shipments to be made directly from the relevant warehouse. This clear structure ensures that storage locations in sales and distribution guarantee transparent inventories, correct order processing, and reliable deliveries. They thus form the logistical basis for a smooth connection between sales and distribution and materials management.